I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at what kind of pad to use with your Swiffer Wetjet. So if you're using a Swiffer Wetjet, you're not going to use the traditional dry Swiffer pad. Ideally, you'll get a Swiffer Wetjet pad. And that's a little bit different from the Swiffer Wet pad, which is again a little confusing. The Swiffer Wet pad is a wet cleaning pad you use with a traditional Swiffer. The Swiffer Wetjet pads are designed specifically for this device. And now I've used the Swiffer Wet pads with this. It's possible to do it, but ideally it's best to get the Swiffer Wetjet pad. So make sure you're getting the proper ones, and this is what they're going to look like. You can see it actually says Wetjet specifically on the pads. And when you open it up, what you'll see is that you've got this side that has this little blue strip that's going to face down towards the floor. That's going to do the actual cleaning. Then we've got usually two little purple strips on the other side. And to attach this to the Swiffer Wetjet, there's these little, almost like Velcro pieces on here. We're just simply going to align the purple strips here with that, those little Velcro pads. We're going to give it a little press on there, and that's going to attach that Wetjet cleaning pad. There's not the sort of little loops that you would get on a traditional Swiffer that you have to press it into. It actually just is going to go straight on there, and that little Velcro is going to hold it in place. So don't get a Swiffer Wet cleaning pad, get a Swiffer Wetjet cleaning pad. Again, you're going to see that Wetjet logo on there, and you can simply attach it just by aligning the purple strips with the Velcro, pressing it on, and that is good to go.